Hello everyone, welcome to Nasdaq, SPX, and Dow Jones price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. Let's see together what we might expect for the US stock indices today. So as we have mentioned yesterday, okay, something very questionable here regarding the bearish is unfolding, and that's why I have been mentioning always the triangle sideways and the diagonal ending diagonal for something bullish, because I didn't saw the weakness that I was looking for this wave C. So yes, when the market decides to turn up again, then we have to confess and we have to be there prepared and ready for it. So that's why I have been always ready and prepared with a triangle probability and an ending diagonal here, which is the highest, by the way, the ending diagonal, because the triangle meaning a larger wave 4, and if you take a look at the wave 2, that's horrible. Yeah, so as per time, that doesn't work at all. Therefore, I'm looking that the same wave 4 is still at the same area here, and we're looking for a 1 2 3 4 5 to finish the wave 5 there. And that means, of course, an extension here is happening for Nasdaq there. Now, yesterday price and today price is showing even stronger move, where we took the 886 here, meaning after having a potential 1 2 here and another 1 2, your wave 2 right now is very, very high. It took the 886. That's not really nice to see as a double 1 2 to unfold a wave 3. Now, of course, the probability is still there, so we gotta be careful, okay, because we see some red. But taking the 886 is also a green flag, meaning we might continue and take the high. Now, once you take the high, it's our confirmation for higher. And that because we invalidate the double 1 2. Once you invalidate this 1 2 here, if this is gone, that means automatically the other one is gone. It has transformed into an ABC, and then we push for higher. Okay, so we gotta be careful. Of course, the things can still be bearish because yeah, the market is very, very tricky lately. So we gotta be careful with it. Like imagine we come exactly at this point and then it reverse. Yeah, so that means yeah, also we have to be careful with it. So a confirmation for that would be of course taking this wave 1. Well, normally it's a little bit hard to confirm it, but look what we're gonna do here to get a much more precise thing. Meaning right now, if you are a 1 2 1 2 and then large 1 2 here, because I doubt it, guys, somehow. So the thing is that we are seeking here for this wave 1, we are seeking for the wave 2 Fibonacci levels. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do here again is testing this area in case we really get to the 0.38 and we start to see a signal of strength. Of course, it might continue toward the upside, because also you gotta be careful. This is potentially an expanding diagonal, yeah, which it can be your wave A. Don't forget that we are looking at zigzag A, B, and a C here for wave 1, yeah, wave 2, wave 3, A, B, and a C. So if this is an expanding diagonal, that will be very tricky there. So we gotta be careful. It can be an A, B, and a C as well. Okay, so I'm gonna mark this even in yellow. Yeah, so because it's a high probability there. So the wave C can still get our target here, which is the wave 3 in diagonal. So we're gonna watch this testing area there. This is going up to be our first testing area, and I believe that this might be the case. So still very high probability, especially when once we took the 886 over there. So that was it for Nasdaq. We'll watch what's gonna happen. So far, bullish is getting higher probability because of the 886 yesterday and today. Now, for SPX as well. For SPX, we're looking for the same. We are looking for the same. So basically, I'm looking for a possible extension here in a wave 5, meaning your wave 3 there, your wave 4 finished over here, your wave 5 also there, and wave 1. Meaning very likely to reach kind of like a wave 3, which is this, our target, our blue zone there. Basically, the wave 3 might be here an impulse, so I'm looking after an impulse. But the thing is that we are still kind of like in an expanding flat here. Again, the same as Nasdaq, so it's a question mark. But the good thing for SPX is that our testing area is still there. Yeah, so we didn't took the 886 like Nasdaq, So the potential of double 1, 2 is still playing there. And if this is going to unfold wave 3, 4, and a 5, is still very high probability. So basically on SPX, we're still 50-50 for the bullish and the bearish because I need a clear and decisive decision here. So we start to see some weakness. We see a potential finish structure here in a potential WX and Y if you want, and then we push downward. But we need still, of course, a signal because if we continue for higher, this is a green flag again. Yeah, so 886 will be okay. 60% we're bullish. All right. And that means wave 3. So the same as Nasdaq, same for SPX. Dow Jones is already showing a strength. It never went down yet, even to reach our first testing area. Despite that, this looks like very expanding as an expanding diagonal, but I don't like it. Yeah, so basically, even if it is an expanding diagonal, that means it's an ABC here, finishing wave B in an expanding flat 1.38, 1.23, meaning an A, B, and a C might still be unfolding here, at least the smaller one before calling the larger one. Yeah, so you have two expanding flat here. The first one is small, where we might hit this target, and the second is larger, where we might hit this target. Okay, so we'll see which one is unfolding, but basically Dow Jones is a very stubborn chart, guys. Yeah, so we don't see even the wave 3 unfolding there. Yeah, so 1, 2, potentially 3, 4, and 5. I don't know why the wave 2 is still like taking its time there. So we need that wave 3. We need this testing area to see a reaction here, a clean one, not just like that. Yeah, so we'll see what's going to happen. So I'm still calling this area for Dow Jones. I would say nothing yet is very bullish. We'll see, guys. That was it for Nasdaq, SPX, and Dow Jones. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.